Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best office chair. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Office Essentials Mesh Back Swivel Desk Chair. If you're looking for a reasonably priced workplace chair, the Amazon Basics range is the region to look. More mainly, we endorse the Office Essentials Mesh Back Swivel Desk Chair, which does precisely what it says on the tin. It's ergonomically designed and has a cushioned seat and a mesh return imparting breathability. You can also regulate its peak and the tilt. Amazon admits this chair isn't always designed for 8-hour days, however can be sat in for as much as 5 hours at a time. But that might be the precise excuse to ensure you arise and away from your table for as a minimum an hour at lunchtime. You can also spend money on a lumbar help to make it extra comfortable for lengthy intervals of time. This chair is right for college students or those on a budget, and in phrases of first-rate rate ratio, you might not get a higher deal. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ficmax Ergonomic High Back Office Desk Chair. Ficmax's ergonomic high back supremely relaxed version is one of the pleasant ergonomic workplace chairs at Amazon, and for properly purpose. It become designed for gamers, but that doesn't suggest that designers, illustrators or every person who sits in an office chair for massive periods of time may not enjoy it too. After a protracted day's work, or maybe during an extended day's paintings, who does not want to rub down? Just plug it in through USB and sit down returned even without the rub down feature, which admittedly gets old a piece fast. This leather based workplace chair gets 5 stars for comfort. Just plug it in through USB and sit down returned even without the rub down feature, which admittedly gets old a piece fast. This leather based workplace chair gets 5 stars for comfort. It has a retractable footrest, a headrest and can recline proper lower back, as much as 180 tiers, so you could even take a brief nap in case you desired. Otherwise be satisfied with the terrific lumbar assist as you figure. In addition, the armrests are thick and adjustable, and the body comes with an entire life guarantee. Even as the components are guaranteed for 12 months. Not everybody will love the PVC leather, which can be a bit squeaky, and at the same time as this ergonomic home office chair is available in extra overtly racing car inspired designs. We advise sticking with the black. Especially if you're going to invite customers over. At number 3, we have the IKEA Marcus. It won't look in particular thrilling, but IKEA's Marcus office chair ticks lots of boxes, and at this price it is now not simply one of the exceptional workplace chairs at IKEA. It is one of the great complete 4-stall. You can regulate its top, there is integrated lumbar help, and the mesh cloth allows you to air for your lower back. That's amazing whilst you're sitting down for long periods. There's additionally a brake that engages while you stand up, to assist avoid that awkward second when your chair slides out underneath you. Many office chairs, inclusive of the Humanscale Diffrient Smart, above, characteristic a return support that molds into your return over time. However, now not everybody receives on with this system. The Marcus chair's back guide combats this by means of repuffing whilst you get up. Happily, it also comes with a 10-year assure. At number 2, we have the Herman Miller Sayl office chair. While Herman Miller's Iron chair, above in our top spot, is an absolute classic, and makes a superb choice if you do not thought spending almost £1,000 simple one. 000 we absolutely opt for its elegant cousin, the Sayl. It comes in a kind of 1-stroke to the charge, and the British School of Osteopathy use it at their education center. So that you realize it has top ergonomic credentials. This chair was inspired by San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge, and even though the idea of a suspension bridge inspired chair might appear atypical at the beginning, it makes feel after you sit in it. It is all about getting extra from the least substances feasible. The suspension finish back permits you to stretch and flow while it helps you, offering greater support in a few areas of your again and allowing the again to hold its herbal curve. It's supremely relaxed and comes with a 12-year assure, although we doubt you will need it. These chairs are built to final a lifetime. And finally at number 1, we have the Humanscale Diffrient Smart office chair. This workplace chair would not have guide controls, however adjusts robotically to your size, shape and actions. As the armrests are attached to the return of the chair in preference to the seat, they move robotically as you recline. The backrest also pivots as you lean back, adjusting to the shape of your reclined backbone, all of the even as the tree panel mesh backrest provides consistent lumbar help. The Humanscale Diffrient Smart is without a doubt funding, but it comes with a whopping 15 years assure. However, undergo in thoughts that although Humanscale claims this chair is appropriate for all weights and sizes, in case you're 6 foot or extra, you may discover it too small. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this office chair, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.